Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power liftgate, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, luggage rack, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.